everyone! Today we're jumping few scales back from a 1 to 18 to a 1 to 64 scales. On my table I'm having 4 mini GT models, and I must say I'm really obsessed with mini GT models since I got the honor to review first time the pre-production prototype Porsches. And if you haven't seen that video, I put a link below to check it out because those ones were really awesome. I'm having here 2 German cars and 2 Japanese cars. I'm going to start to open the boxes now, and I'm going to start here with this Toyota TRD 3000. And what is written on the box is already very promising, because this model itself was a very special piece. Only 35 have been produced from this Toyota. I just love the approach of mini GTs, always spotting something which is really unique and scaling them down in this 1 to 64. So awesome thing, and let's see how the model looks like. Okay, what I like on this original design, that you can immediately spot out which model is this, which particular Toyota is this, because of this vents on the bonnet. You can see this design feature, which is actually more than a design feature, because it's of course cooling the engine. The car itself, it's a 4th generation of Supra. I'm just obsessed with these tiny rubber side mirrors. They're just so cute. The quality of this model is just really nice. Even I liked it also, the windows having these heating stripes, you know, and because it's the street version of this GT race car, the body is wider, and all these soft details on it, as you see, they are because they wanted to have this aerodynamically modified racing body, and they of course pulled it on the street version, on the street legal version of the car. Detail wise, I just really like that the super nice exhaust is here, you see. And what is also very cool at mini GTs, that they having real rubber tires. So also here you can see, I don't want to, but I could even pull them off because they're just real tiny rubber pieces. This Toyota is just amazing. So let's continue now with another Japanese car, which is another Toyota. It's also a Supra, but this model is a Pandem tuned version, and also this body paint is really unique. As you can just maximize how to treat details on a tiny scale, this is just absolutely mind-blowing, because all these stickers you see even on the rocket of the car, and on the body side, also here on the spoiler, all over is just printed in a very tiny fine scale, but it's just really precise. Pandem Rocket Bunny, what I found is a really cute name for a tuning company. So Pandem Rocket Bunny is a Japanese tuning company, and they're doing this body kit. So also this Toyota having this special body kit, and the car was presented in the SEMA Motor Show in 2019 in this particular configuration, with this body paint with this Bordeaux red stripes and black, because of the tire sponsor as well, which is written here, this Advan. Really every detail is there. I also looked up the real car, is like a copy paste. Even the front lights, you see they yellow. They also use this here on the model. Very nice with this special widened body. Very nice configuration again. So I love this car. Let's continue now with the German cars, and immediately with this Mercedes 190E, which is a race car. And It's a very special race car because the original car was raced by a very special race driver, and she's Ellen Lohr, and she won with this model in 1992 at the Hockenheim Ring. So it's a DTM race car. Her name is written on it here, and the racing number 5. And with the number 6 car, actually, it's just a funny information that Keke Rosberg was racing, Nico Rosberg's father, and she was his teammate. And okay, this is something very cool here on the model, because when I was taken out from this plastic thing, I didn't know what was a little bit painful. I just pinched my finger with the Mercedes star in the front, but this is completely insane. I mean, how tiny is this? I mean, mini GTs even putting the Mercedes star in the front. I mean, how is it possible in this scale? How are they doing it? I don't know. All these stickers and logos, even these autograms are on it, and sponsors, very tiny letters, like on the Toyota as well, also on the rear bumpers, you see. And it's a really special car. So Ellen Lohr's car is also here. And now, last but not least, the BMW M3 Alpina. Alpina is an in-house tuning company for BMW, so they're really taking care of the performance of the car, like tuning the car. So this model is based on an M3, and as I remember, only 62 cars were produced between 87 and 1990. So again, a limited edition car here, and this beautiful body paint. It's typical from Alpina. They're having this Alpina blue and Alpina green as well, so the color is beautiful. And what is really a trademark from Alpina is this special body stripes. They called deco sets, and it's really like a signature of Alpina, having this fine deco stripes on the body side. Number plate, also in the front bumper, you can see the Alpina is written, also the 3.5. Very nice. I know I'm repeating myself, but it's just totally mind-blowing how mini GTs having these very fine details in this tiny scale. So next time I really need to bring my magnifier to see all these details, because it's just really totally mind-blowing. So I love these cars. So that was it for today, and I would like to say thank you again to Castheads magazines and Future Decals Bros to letting me having these models at GirlsLoveCars. And I hope you liked the video, and please leave a comment below which one is your favorite, or just, you know, let me know your opinion. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it, and also follow me on Instagram on GirlsLoveCars, and I'm going to come back very soon. Bye!